Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Stud Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos. In this video, I would like to teach you introduction to algebra. In this introduction to algebra, we are going to learn introduction of algebra, variable, rules from geometry, rules from arithmetic, LHS and RHS of an equation, solution means roots of an equation, trial and error method. Let us learn one by one. Introduction to algebra. Our study so far has been with the numbers and shapes. What we have learnt so far comes under arithmetic and geometry. Now we begin the study of another branch of mathematics called algebra. Let us see some more about algebra. The main feature of algebra is the use of letter or alphabet to represent numbers. Letter can represent any number, not just a particular number. It may stand for an unknown quantity. By learning the method of determining unknowns, we develop powerful tools for solving puzzles and many problems in daily life. Variable. A number can take various numerical values is known as a variable. We may take any letter, we may use any letter, example ABC, PQR, XYZ, etc. to denote a variable, to represent a variable. Variables can take different values. They have no fixed values, but they are numbers. That's why only operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on them. Rules from geometry or mensuration. To find rules from geometry, we take first square. In a square, all sides equal and all angles are equal, that is 90 degree. Side is generally denoted by SRA. Perimeter of a square, perimeter of a square is equal to sum of the length of the sum of the length of the sides of square. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Side plus side plus side plus side. So S plus S plus S plus S. That is 4 into S. That is equal to 4S. The perimeter of a square is denoted by letter P. So P is equal to 4S. This is the rule for sum of the perimeter of a square. What is the rule? P is equal to 4S. What we understood from perimeter of a square P is equal to 4S, we understood the length of the square can have any value. Its value is not fixed. It is also a variable. The use of the variable allows us to write the general rule in a way that is concise and easy way to remember. That is the benefit of using variables. Let us see rules from arithmetic. To understand this, we have to take even numbers. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. And so on. Pattern. First even number 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Two threes are, two fours are, two fives are, two sixes are, two sevens are, two eights are, two nines are, two tens are. Nth even number is 2 into n to n. First even number. The first even number is 2. We can write it 2 ones are. The second even number is for 2 twos are. The third even number is 2 threes are, and so on. We can write like this. For the nth even number, is 2 into n, that is 2n. So the pattern of nth term 2, 4, 6 and so on is 2n. Equation and expression. What is an equation? What is an expression? A expression with the equal sign is called equation. Without equal sign is called an expression. Let us see an example. Two plus 3 is equal to 5 is an numerical equation. X plus 5 is equal to 9 is a algebraic equation. These are example for equation. This is a numerical equation. This is a algebraic equation. What is an expression without equal sign? Here example for expression 2 plus 3 is an numerical expression. X plus 5 is a algebraic expression. In this equation, left of the equal sign is called LHS. Left of the equal sign is called LHS. In this equation, 2 plus 3 is the LHS. In this equation 2, LHS is x plus 5. These two are LHS. LHS, left hand side. Right of the equal sign is called RHS. Right hand side. In these equations, RHS are 5. In second equation, 9. These are RHS. Solution or roots of an equation. What is a solution or roots of an equation? The value of the variable which satisfies an equation is called solution or roots of the equation. Let us see an example. X plus 2 is equal to 5. If we substituted 3 in place of x, the given equation is satisfied. 3, if x is equal to 3, then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is equal to 5. This is the LHS is equal to RHS. So it is true. In this equation, 3 is the solution or roots of the equation. So solution is 3. One more example. 3 plus x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 6. If x is equal to 6, then 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So 9 is equal to 9. LHS is equal to RHS. So it is true. Means LHS is equal to RHS. So solution or root is 6. Trial and error method. What is a trial and error method? To get the solution of an equation, one of the methods we used is called trial and error method. Let us see one example for this. X plus 5 is equal to 8. In this trial and error method, we give some values for this variable. If x is equal to 0, then 0 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 is equal to 8. False. Next, we can try with the x is equal to 1. Then 1 plus 5 is equal to 8. 6 is equal to 8. This is a false. Next, if x is equal to 2, then 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Sorry, 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. 2 plus 5, 7 is equal to 8. It is also false. If x is equal to 3, then 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8. This is true. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is satisfies. So 3 is satisfying in this equation in the place of variable. So this is called trial and error method. We are trying giving some values and checking whether it is satisfied or not. If it is not satisfied, we are leaving it until to get a right value for the variable, then we can stop. This is the method of finding trial and error method. Friends, I think you understood well each and every concept about introduction to algebra. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe to get my latest updates and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos